Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So it's about that time. I'm finally gonna get that video made for you guys showing off the pork chop recipe. Really simple. You just need a meat beater. Yeah, I forget the name of this, but meat tenderizer, that's the one. Need a meat tenderizer. Need some olive oil or virgin olive oil, or extra virgin olive oil, sorry. Need some salt and pepper. I went with just cheapy Tesco stuff. Tell cherry black pepper and rock salt. Then you just need some paprika and some garlic powder. Again, just same old Tesco's now special. Then you're gonna need yourself a cutting board, slow cooker, and of course some pork chops. In my case, pork medallions. But let's flip the camera around and let's get to doing some making, shall we? Yep. Nope. I didn't need to flip the camera. I'm an idiot. All right. So these have been in the fridge overnight. Sort of just defrosting. But just yeah. One pork chop, two pork chops. Again, put that aside. Just make sure, yeah, decent view. Okay. Next up, meat tenderizer. I'm gonna start with this side, and then I'm gonna switch to that side. So. Nice and simple, then do the other side. Done. Then get garlic and get salt and pepper. Yeah, come on. There we go. So we're just going to do one side at a time. Nice little sprinkling of pepper, bit of salt. And get some garlic powder and paprika, and just I'm not going too mental with the paprika because I don't want to overwhelm it or anything. The garlic, if you get the same one I've got, just be advised, it's only got one big hole. So what I do is I just give it a tap, give it a little tap on the ass. Okay. Now is the part where you get your hands dirty, because you need a bit of olive oil, and we're just going to basically rub it all in. And just make sure that you're getting all that seasoning just all over the thing. And then do the other one. Okay, then we're going to flip it over and do the other side. So I'm just going to rinse my hand real quick so that I'm not slipping all over the thing. I don't want my hand slipping all over the place when I'm trying to grind the salt and pepper. But it's the same process. So just a spot. Right, get on there. Thank you. Again. Then again, garlic powder and paprika. Again, not going too mental with the paprika or the garlic powder. And then last step, bit of olive oil. And don't be afraid to get your hand in there, because you want to make sure get your hand on it, because it's a little bit slimy, but you want to make sure that you get it all nice and coated. And there we go. That's that. Next thing you can do is you can turn on your slow cooker. So just make sure that's in the shot. Yes, it is. You can obviously lid off, put your chops in. You can turn it on to low, and then you can leave them for about 4 hours. And then the end of that 4 hours, take them out, make yourself some chips, go with it, real nice. And I always put a little bit of salt and pepper on my chips as well. I just use McCain's crinkle cut oven chips. So I'll usually throw them in about 30 minutes before the chops are done. They'll be nice and crispy, bit of salt and pepper on them, and boom, you've got yourself a very nice meal with some very nice chops that are going to be absolutely bloody tender. Going to be pretty much melt in your mouth, and they're going to taste absolutely delicious. But that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you like, leave a like. If you dislike, dislike. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe.